Hello. So today we are making Greek lemon chicken. It's gonna be really easy, really fun, and really yummy. It's very healthy for your body. So now we have 4 chicken thighs in a mixing bowl, and now let's start putting our spices in it. Some salt, some black pepper, some red cayenne pepper. Now that we have our ginger, we are gonna slightly put it in generously. Now we are gonna put some dried oregano in it and sprinkle it. Here it goes. Now we are gonna put a lot of lemon juice. Now that we have all the ingredients in, now we're gonna mix it up with our hands, and please do not use anything except your own 2 hands. Make sure you wash your hands. I can't believe I'm doing this, it's very gross. This is how your fingers are gonna turn out when you're done. This is how it looks like when you spin. Now let's put some generous amount of olive oil. Better if it's Greek. Now we mixed it really, really good. Now we're gonna transfer it to the baking pot. Now we're gonna bake it for 425 Fahrenheit and 40 minutes. Always put it around it, not on top of the chicken, or else it'll turn into a disaster. If you don't have that much space, maybe 1 or 2, but not a lot. I know you're guessing why it's taking so long. Now we are gonna add all the juice in the marinade. Our beauty is ready. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes. But if it doesn't get cooked in 40 minutes, you might as well want to add 10 minutes.